Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. It is an absolutely beautiful day here in Wichita, Kansas. Not a cloud in the sky. And according to my watch, 73 degrees. The wind isn't blowing, which is never heard of in this part of the country. And I am in West Wichita near 13th and Mays area, a place called Swanson Park. This is one of the most unique walking areas in West Wichita. There's a lot of wildlife to see here, deer and beaver and ducks that are all over the place. It's just a really pretty place to spend an afternoon. At one time where Wichita stands, this was nothing but vast prairie, covered in wild grasses and cottonwood trees, and there's not a lot of it left, especially not around Wichita. But Swanson Park is the exception. This entire area is basically untouched prairie that has a walking path running through it that has about 3 miles of walking area. On top of that, there are game trails that run through here, and they're so pronounced that you can follow them as well. Just an absolutely amazing place, and it's such a beautiful day to be in here. So far, I've seen about 20 different species of birds, and I have seen one white-tailed deer so far. But where there's one, I assure you there are more. When people ask how can there possibly be that many miles of trails to walk, you have to remember that not only do you have the trails like this concrete one behind me and the game trails, but you also have intersections. I'm at a fork in the road at the moment, and a couple of options. I'm going to go follow the right and continue down toward the creek because I want you to see that as well. Now, as you can see, this trail leads down to a creek, and there is a walking path all the way down. The water is really low at the moment, but I'm going to make my way just a little further down so you can see what it looks like. So as I made my way down here, there's a lot of deer tracks all around through the trail. And then this big mess of wood back here where this tree has died apparently is full of catfish, because I keep seeing them turn over in there. One was huge right as I was coming down the bank. There's about an 8-foot fall here to get down to the water, and I'm not having any plan of getting in there, but it is a really quiet, peaceful place. There are very few places in the Wichita area where you can enjoy a nice, quiet walk with nature. If you're on the west side near 13th and Mays and you're up for a little exploring, you can go through all these trails in a little over a half an hour. And at least if you just follow the concrete trail. And it's a very peaceful, quiet experience. I've seen 4 other people while I'm here, and they were just in this last loop coming in as I'm heading back up. If there's somewhere else in Wichita you'd like me to show you, all you got to do, comment right here on this video. And till next time, walk fabulous. Have a great day.